grand finale. We have got 16 really exciting bunch of kids who are ready to go and looking forward to the finale. We've got a mix. I think there are more than 7,000 participants. It's the highest ever in last 4-5 years. So really excited. We have a great bunch of talent. We've got, I think, 6 kids from Bangalore. We have a couple of them from Bombay, Delhi, Bangalore. So it's all over India, So I think it's a great representation which is there from the whole of country.
How is the next season?
Mark, why don't you?
It's been extremely gratifying to see that this year the reach has been a lot more. We've had physical entries in excess of 10,000, but actual people who've come to audition, the boys and girls that have come have been about 5,700 to 7,000 people. So they're very young, they're very fashionable, fashion conscious, and they all want to make a mark and establish themselves as international models. And I think Max has done a tremendous job in finding the right amount of people and placing them in the industry. The fashion industry is in need of young, fresh talent in terms of models, and Max is the major player, the only credible player that is giving back to the industry what it really needs. It's tough to bahut hai ji, but I enjoy it. So it doesn't come across as being tough. But it is difficult if you were to see the operation, the field work that is required. It's tremendous because we travel pan-India and we meet young boys and girls. We have to understand they have different personalities, they come from various backgrounds, and they all have a desire, a burning desire to make it big in Mumbai. So ये जो मंच है, this platform that Max gives them, it's really credible because the winner ultimately gets to go international and compete, and he gets to work out there as well. And even if the boys and girls who don't win, they get absorbed into fashion weeks in India and across Asia. हमारे जो success stories है बहुत है. We have a young boy called Mustafa. In the next month you will hear about him. He's shot for various international brands. He has walked in all the fashion weeks for Milan and Paris and New York. He's just shot the new Hugo Boss campaign. We have our last year's winner girl called Arya. She's just finished doing Couture Week and doing Paris Week in Paris. And the boys in India and girl as well. Manish Malhotra loves one of his new boys, Lakshya, who's from Elite Model Look. Sabyasachi is a girl that he uses all the time, Vishaka. So we have lots of boys and girls discovered by Max and who are running and walking and ruling the runway as we speak.
Supermodel आप रह चुके हैं, supermodel के लिए क्या-क्या होना चाहिए, कैसा होना चाहिए अगर कोई आना चाहता है,
यही तो चाहत है, and that is our ultimate wish. It's all about your personality, your style. So at Elite Model Look, they don't look for beautiful people. If you're beautiful, well and good. Your personality that you bring to the table. It's a combination of your personality, your own brand is what Elite looks for. And with Max and Elite, the synergy and the partnership is just right. In time to come, there will be supermodels provided they don't leave and join Bollywood. Well, we're just working on this right now, and in a couple of months, hopefully, we move on to again what Max is being actively called the Design Awards across fashion faculties across the country. So that will happen later on the year.
So I think it's an exciting time. I mean, festival season chal raha hai, business is really roaring. I think consumer sentiments are very high. Next 2 weeks, as we enter into the Diwali, we are really excited and looking forward to a bumper sales this season. So from all that what we've seen in last couple of weeks, particularly the Dussehra season gaya in Andhra Pradesh and in Calcutta, business is very good. So we are absolutely confident that this season should be one of the best ever for us. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
What do I have to say? I have to just say what? Okay, तो अभी 4 साल मार्क 5th year. अच्छा, so 5 साल से actually मैं मार्क के साथ mentor और jury रही हूँ बहुत different cities में, अलग-अलग cities में, and so finally made it to the finale. मैं हमेशा busy रहती हूँ finale के दिन, so today luckily मैं free थी, so yeah, just excited to be here and finally make it to the finale of Max Elite. It's a very lovely team. and they're very professional, and it's a great pleasure working with them every time, every year. So yeah, happy to be here.
कितना आसान कितना टफ जॉब था ये
एक्चुअली बहुत ही लंबा प्रोसेस होता है, क्योंकि आप अलग जज होते हैं अलग सिटी में, डिज़ाइनर मॉडल के कॉम्बिनेशंस होते हैं, देन यू नो बहुत ही अलग प्रोसीजर होता है, क्योंकि यू नो हर एक का पिक्चर इंटरनेशनली चले जाता है, तो उधर से फिर वापस यू नो सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस हो जाता है बैक एंड फोर्थ. सो प्रोसेस बहुत ही लंबा होता है, लेकिन रिज़ल्ट्स ये है कि फिर आपको बेस्ट मिलता है पूरे इंडिया से. सो एंड आई गेस यू वांट टू हैव द बेस्ट. इंडिया से बेस्ट होना चाहिए, राइट, इंटरनेशनली. सो
क्या टिप्स देंगे आपको आज
टिप्स वेल टिप्स के लिए उनको ट्रेनिंग के लिए आना चाहिए. नो, बट आई एम श्योर कि एक्चुअली दीप्ति गुजराल और मार्क ने ऑलरेडी इनको ग्रूम किया हुआ है. सो ये लोग इंडस्ट्री में बहुत साल से हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं. सो आई थिंक प्रिपेयर्ड. उनको अभी क्या टिप्स चाहिए?
बहुत चल रहा है
इसके बारे में क्या कहना है? मेरा स्टोरी ऑलरेडी आउट है मीडिया में. अभी उसको आप लोगों को उन लोगों से पूछना चाहिए जो इनके बारे में अवॉइड करते हैं क्वेश्चंस, ना कि जिनको हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं, अवेयरनेस स्प्रेड कर रहे हैं. तो आप एक्चुअली ये क्वेश्चंस गलत लोगों को डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि मैं इस मूवमेंट को आगे लेके जा रही हूँ, मतलब अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करने के लिए. आई थिंक दैट्स द नीड ऑफ द आवर. लेकिन विदाउट द हेल्प ऑफ मोर सेलिब्रिटीज़ एंड बिगर सेलिब्रिटीज़ एंड बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज़ ये मतलब दब रहा है. सो यू नो आई डोंट नो कि साइलेंस क्यों है. थैंक यू.
दिवाली में
हाँ जी, 1999 में मैंने अपना जर्नी चालू किया था फ्रॉम एलीट मॉडल लुक, एंड 20 साल हो गए एंड आई एम वर्किंग. सो इट्स ऑलवेज गिवन अ प्लेटफॉर्म टू द न्यू मॉडल्स, एंड यू कैन सी द रिजल्ट स्टैंडिंग हियर इन फ्रंट ऑफ y'all, and I'm hoping that whoever wins has the same journey the way I had.
So what are the challenges you face while you make a career as a model, as a professional model, and making a career on model? What is the biggest challenge you face?
Patience, dedication, maintenance. Because it's to do with your outer beauty, it's to do with your creativity. You need to always learn, because whenever you're doing any job for modeling or anything related to entertainment, you're always learning. You have to always do something different than what you have done. So if you have that in you, you'll always just evolve. क्या चल रहा है? हाँ, नहीं, लकीली मेरे साथ मीटू नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि मैंने हमेशा अपने प्रिंसिपल्स को सामने रखा है, और मुझे अगर लगा कि ये काम पे अगर मैं जाऊँगी मुझे ऐसी दिक्कत होगी, मैं वो काम के पास गई नहीं. सो आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट दैट.
दिस इज माय फर्स्ट टाइम यहाँ पे, तो इसके साथ मौका मिला है आने के लिए. सो आई एम गोइंग टू एंजॉय दिस शो, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. आई नो शी इज वर्क वेरी हार्ड. She's been judging the Sabi events before this, and this is the grand finale. So I'm looking for a good show, and maybe I'll get to see something different. I've always witnessed something. I come from a different part of the entertainment industry, so this is like, along with her, I'm getting to see a new part of this industry.
And this contest, we have young talents from the age 16 to 20. So we have to be very sure that they are protected, but we still give them the right path. So this is a profession that will give them the right path at this age. this is the contest that you all should come and try for sure.
The winner is the right hands for sure. And
Yes. Yeah. Yes. I guess that shows how modeling has become a profession and not a hobby anymore. But yes, as you said, there are a lot of contests and you have to choose wisely which contests will allow you to evolve and take your craft further, and I hope you meet the right people in every contest. So you need to do your homework much more than before when you go for any contest.
but also having more contests means providing more opportunities, you know. I mean, let's say we are a huge country with a lot of population, a lot of people wanting to be models. So one contest or two contests will probably deny that opportunity. So more contests, provided they are done with the right intentions and giving them a good platform, good mileage, please go for it.
What do you think the city to aspire girls to become an experienced professional person? But anything is
You're never a loser unless you try quitting. You may not get success immediately. Have your patience. Please be connected with your parents because they are the ones who can guide you the best when it comes to right and wrong. Diwali wishes? Hi, this is Alessia Rao Suryavanshi.
And I'm Siddhantri Suryavanshi.
Wishing everybody happy
Very
Diwali.
happy Diwali.
तो कैसे सेलिब्रेशन रहता है खास करके दिवाली की?
Celebration to actually with family. This is our first Diwali after a wedding, so want to spend time with family. पूजा करेंगे और शायद कुछ दोस्त घर आएंगे या फिर दिवाली के अगले दिन हम जाएंगे कुछ दोस्तों से मिलने के लिए. That's the whole idea. But being at home, being with family is the best blessing I can think of. Being on Diwali and celebrating with family. That's about
Noise-free
it.
Diwali for sure. Neera,
And noise-free Diwali, exactly.
thank you. Thank you.
I always look for the next top model. That is always my goal. And I usually have very good luck. So hopefully tonight we'll find the next top model, not of India, but of the world. Well, I think that diversity is really happening right now in the fashion industry. So Indian models right now are really the type of model that the whole world is looking at for. I don't know if you saw the recent show in the lineups of the models, but we have never seen so much diversity. And so the Indian model, this is her moment right now.
That's good. Thank you so much. Anything message you would like to say?
I would like to say that there has been such an amazing group. It really is a great group. And I think that not just the winner will have a chance of becoming a model in an international level, but there's others too. You don't have to win to be a model with elite. It's a way of being discovered.
Well, I think Elite Modeling is a very good platform for all the young boys and girls who want to come into the field of modeling, specifically modeling. I mean, you don't want to be a beauty pageant winner, you don't want to be an actor, and you just want to be a model, and you know you're good for it. So I think this is a wonderful, wonderful pageant because it gives you an opportunity when you're very young. And I don't think in the country there would be any other model hunt that will give you an opportunity at the age of 16, 17. So I think this is the right age when you have to realize your dreams and just go for it. And they're doing a wonderful job. Well, I think beauty pageants and modeling industry both are, you can say, in the same field but still very different. One is very high fashion, one is sort of more on the glamorized side. Yeah, I think that is what the difference is. Yes, I've just finished shooting for two films. One is a Punjabi film and one is a Hindi horror film, which is yet to be released. and you'll come to know about it soon. Thank you very much. Thank you. Hi, मेरा नाम है नवनीत कौर चिलन एंड मैं आप सबको बहुत बहुत दिवाली की शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ एंड आपकी दिवाली शुभ हो और ये सारा साल आने वाला शुभ हो। वेल, दिवाली का सेलिब्रेशन हमेशा ही बहुत अच्छा रहता है। इनफैक्ट सारे साल से सबको इंतज़ार रहता है कि दिवाली आएगी, दिवाली आएगी। घर में शुरू से पहले से तैयारियां शुरू हो जाती है एंड देन दिवाली आती है और एक रात में ऐसे चली जाती है। बट डेफिनेटली दैट पूरा एक महीने का या उससे पहले जब भी हम सेलिब्रेशन शुरू करते हैं, तैयारियां शुरू करते हैं, वो टाइम बहुत अच्छा होता है। फेस्टिव, सब नए नए कपड़े खरीद रहे हैं, नई चीज़ें खरीद रहे हैं, मिठाइयाँ आ रही है। सो आई थिंक वो जो फेस्टिव फील है वो बहुत एनर्जी वाली होती है, अच्छी एनर्जी वाली होती है। सो आई रियली एंजॉय इट। पूजा की बात, पूजा घर में पूजा होती है, मतलब बाहर नहीं जाते हैं। बट हाँ, जैसे घर में सब मम्मी, मासी, पापा सब लोग होते हैं तो घर में ही पूजा होती है। नहीं, वेल जब बचपन में पटाखे चलाते थे तब होती थी, बट अब डेफिनेटली नो पटाखे, नो क्रैकर्स, इससे बहुत दूर रहते हैं। एंड बचपन में पटाखे चलाते थे, सब कुछ